It's me, Tala. Today I'm going to read Snow White. But first, you know what's this? I put my cup in it and then sip it. Okay, never mind. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful queen who had a lovely daughter called Snow White. The queen loved her little princess very much and used to see
So
many many pretty dresses for her. Unfortunately,
unfortunately,
unfortunately, the queen
past
passed away, leaving her daughter to the care of her father. The king wanted his daughter to have the love and care of a mother, so he decided to marry again. The new queen was much more beautiful than the old queen, but she was a proud woman and did not like Snow White. The queen had a magic mirror. She would always ask the mirror on the wall, "Oh, who is fairest of them all?" In reply, the but the mirror would show her picture. But one day when the queen asked the same question to the mirror, it showed the picture of the beautiful Snow White. The queen became very jealous and immediately ordered her hands, handsome, many
handsome huntsman.
huntsman to kill Snow White.
That's not nice. Next.
Mummies don't do that.
Mm,
Oh, I don't see that.
next.
My head. My hair.
Ikaw dun.
I can't because my hair.
Go.
The huntsman was a loyal. What is loyal, Mom?
Loyal.
I mean,
Loyal.
what does that mean?
He works for them before till now.
Loyal servant. So he had to follow the orders of the queen, but at the same time, he was very fond of Snow White. What is fond, Mom?
Fun.
What is found?
Ay, fond. He likes Snow White. Next. Just.
Because she's pretty.
Mm.
Just when he was about to kill Snow White, she pleaded
For her life.
for her life. The innocence of the princess made his heart melt, and he decided to spare her instead. He killed the
A deer.
deer and took its heart as a proof that he had killed Snow White. Snow White wandered in the forest and came across a little house. Since she was tired and hungry, she decided to go in. When she entered, she was surprised to see a little double
Thank
table with 7 little plates and glasses. Where there were small thin pieces of bread on the plate. Snow White ate all the food and started looking for some place to sleep. While Snow White while Snow White was trying to sleep, she heard a sound. She opened her eyes to see 7 dwarfs in front
in
of
front.
in front of her. They asked her, "Who are you? And what are you doing here?" Snow White told them her sad story and
Requested.
what is request?
Requested.
What is that?
They request, just like you.
Oh, request, requested them to let her stay there. The dwarfs
Dwarf.
agreed
I dwarf.
readily,
Readily.
readily as the days passed by. The wicked the queen became sure of Snow White did and was happy. One day, as a routine, she asked the mirror on the wall, "Who is the fairest of them all?" To her surprise, the mirror displayed the picture of Snow White. She was for
Furious.
furious with jealousy. Once again, this time the queen decided to kill Snow White herself. The wicked queen found where Snow White was living and went there. Honey,
Disguised.
disguised as an apple seller. And one, she turned herself into a grandma. How ugly. Na. Punch you in the face. Punch you in the face. You kind. When she saw Snow White, she said, "Oh, my beautiful child, taste this apple, and if you like it, then you can buy more from me." Snow White was tempted to taste as the apple looked very delicious, but she did not know that the apple she was going to eat was poisonous. As soon soon as she took a bite, she fell down the floor. And then she died. Floor unconscious.
Unconscious. Almost done.
The queen was revealed.
Relieved.
I love you guys.
Okay. Tayo rin. That
Where's the duh? That Snow White was dead and went back to her palace. When the seven dwarfs returned in the evening,
evening.
they found Snow White dead. They were in tears, but did not want to bury her. So they decided to keep Snow White inside a glass casket.
Basket.
May casket.
Mm.
And one day,
Guard her
Huh?
every night.
guard her every night. One day, a handsome prince came riding by and saw the beautiful princess sleeping. He fell in love with her and decided to take her to his kingdom. Just when he lifted the case,
Basket.
casket, it fell down and broke with a jerk. Snow White fell out
And
and also came out the poisoned
poison is
piece of apple, which was struck in her
stuck.
stuck in her throat. She regained
Consciousness.
The prince married Snow White, and they lived happily ever after.
Diba?
Wait po. Look, guys, they married. They married. This is Snow White. This is the handsome prince. And next we're going to read. No, later. Next.
already.
No. Now next we're going
Next
to.
video for that.
Next,
Okay,
see you tomorrow because I'm going to read this tomorrow. See ya! And look at my mom, she's so pretty.